Hello, I'm going to discuss the places that I've lived. I'll show you by using my maps. I was born and raised in Los Angeles, California, and after high school, I moved to Orlando, Florida, where I worked at Universal Studios in Orlando, and the whole point of me moving there was to go to school for a marine mechanic. Um, It was a 2 year program. I lived there with my brother and my friend in Orlando. When I finished that program there, I moved to Hilo, Hawaii. Um, this is where I lived and I worked for about 2, 3 years. I fixed boats, sea-doos for all the fishermen in the bay. Um, and I also lived in Hilo, Hawaii, right up the street from Hilo Bay. After that, when I was working there, I kind of missed playing football, and I decided to go back to school, and I got a scholarship to Southeast Missouri State University, where I played football for 2.5 years. I lived there with my fiance and my baby. Um, After I finished my bachelor's degree, I decided to move back to California, and that is where I am currently living now.